In this tutorial video, you'll see how the timesheet sync feature effortlessly moves work time records from Wunderbuild into Xero, smoothing out your payroll process from start to finish. Let us first look at how to sync timesheets. We begin by opening the Settings menu in Wunderbuild, navigating to the Integration tab, and choosing Configure. Here, under Items to Sync, the Timesheets option appears. Simply switch it on, scroll down, and hit Save to lock in the change. Once synchronization is enabled, it's time to link Wunderbuild employees to Xero employees. Head over to Team Members within Settings menu. Now pick an employee to edit. In this pop-up window, go to the Xero employee field. A quick click on Refresh pulls in the latest list of employees. Now select desired employee from the list. For example, let's choose Roger Cole. Now click Update. Your selected Wunderbuild employee is now linked to the corresponding Xero employee. Similarly, connect another employee, Alan Smith. The next step is to sync the processed timesheet with Xero. For this, move into Time Tracking menu and open the Timesheets view. Go to the Status filter and select Processed. You can also apply filters by team member or group as needed. Here, you'll notice Roger's timesheet shows a full day dedicated to framing, while Alan's is split between framing and a 2-hour supervision task. Select all of these entries and click Sync with Xero at the bottom of the page. A window pops up here suggesting the payroll calendar based on employees' setting in Xero. In this example, it shows the weekly calendar. Just select that. Then choose the week ending date you want to apply for the sync. The system will analyze your selected entries and suggest the most appropriate week ending date options. In this example, the system has shown two options, week ending 15th and week ending 22nd. If you select 15th, you'll see the list automatically filter to only those entries within that period. If you switch to a different week ending, the entries are displayed accordingly. Here, let's choose week ending the 15th of December. When everything looks right, just click Sync at the bottom and wait for the confirmation message. Now, let's verify the sync timesheets in Xero. Switch over to Xero and open the Timesheets page under the Payroll menu. You may have to refresh to see the draft entries from Wunderbuild. These entries are grouped by employee name. Observe these are for the week ending date you selected, and the status is draft. Roger Cole's draft shows 9.5 hours logged each day, totaling 66.5 hours for the week. The entry also has the tracking code for the job. In Alan Smith's entry, a split timesheet is seen clearly, 2 hours under supervision and the remainder under framing, with daily and weekly job-specific totals displayed. After reviewing these drafts, click Approve to finalise them. Viewing timesheets separated by tracking categories makes it very easy to review the effort. However, if you don't have your timesheet separated by your tracking category, you just need to check your payroll settings in Xero. To achieve this, open Payroll Settings and go to Payroll Tracking. Under Payroll Tracking, set the Timesheet Categories field to the same tracking category that's used for your job tracking in Wunderbuild. In this case, it's WB Job. Well, if you don't want your timesheets to be separated by your job tracking, set this field to None. And with that, your timesheet sync setup is complete. You're now ready to enjoy seamless transfer of your employees' work hours from Wunderbuild straight into Xero.